Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to open MUFG Japanese bank accounts. All you have to do, go to Google, write this keyword MUFG bank Japanese, and then type this exact keyword. Click the first website here. Scroll down, choose application form. This is for application form, and then you will see this application form. To open your accounts, click English, and then you will see this form PDF. Follow me in this form. This is application form from accounts. On this section, enter your today date. Choose your date from here, and then from here choose your address. Write your address from here. You can translate to Japanese language. Write your name from here, and then write your birthday dates. After that, you will see this page. Choose your type of product, ordinary deposit. So friends, and then if you using debits, this one under 15 years, you can submit this one. This is for integrated cash card. You can write your names and capital letters. So friends, this is part 1. For part 2, write your US citizens for if you from your US, and then write your type of write your tax residence, and then complete all this form as you can see here, and then you can send this form to your accounts to support team. After that, you will open your account successfully. So this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this